Coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine status check, GSK booster shot enters clinical trials. Vaccines developed by Moderna Inc., China's Sinovac Biotech and UK's Oxford-AstraZeneca are set to enter late-stage trials in July and subject to large-scale studies. Even as the COVID-19 pandemic has set off an unprecedented response from the global scientific community to find a vaccine, according to the World Health Organization's latest count, 13 experimental jabs are being tested in humans and more than 120 others are in earlier stages of development. Biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies, including AstraZeneca plc and Moderna Inc., have been ramping up production and promising supplies of millions of doses of their experimental vaccines before the year end. Meanwhile, a sixth COVID-19 vaccine from China has begun human trials, while German company CureVac said the first results of its vaccine could be available in September or October. WHO chief scientist Dr. Soumya Swaminathan said she expected hundreds of millions of doses of a COVID-19 vaccine this year and 2 billion doses by the end of 2021. At the moment we do not have a proven vaccine, but if we are lucky, there will be one of two successful candidates before the end of this year and 2 billion doses by the end of next year, she said while addressing the media from Geneva. GlaxoSmithKline coronavirus vaccine status. Even though Oxford-AstraZeneca and Moderna may have grabbed headlines for the fast progress with their candidates, the world's largest vaccine maker GlaxoSmithKline, GSK, only entered the clinical trial stage, with one project on Friday. GlaxoSmithKline's chief medical officer for vaccines Thomas Brewer said the company preferred the slow and steady approach of focusing on an established technology that had the best chance of reaching the widest possible demographic, Reuters reported. GSK is working on a so-called adjuvant and efficacy booster that is combined with more traditional vaccines. Brewer said vaccines developed later, and adjuvant technology, might have longer or better efficacy, especially in the elderly. The company plans to produce 1 billion doses of the efficacy boosters for COVID-19 shots next year. GSK has contributed its adjuvant to alliances involving Chinese biotech firms Clover Biopharmaceuticals, Xiamen Innovax and Chongqing Zhifei, as well as the University of Queensland in Australia and Sanofi. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe.